Road trip. Ayan, madisiplina dito. Kung may nakitang stop sign, kahit wala mang sasakyan sa harap mo, kailangan mong huminto. Road trip mga ka.
Coyotes.
So we're here already in the park?
Yeah, Assiniboine Park.
Cinnabon Park? Ah, okay. Maluwag dito. We can stop here. Take a photo.
What?
You told me before we're coming here to.
Yeah, well, we'll have to wait till we'll have to wait till the snow's all gone, the weather's warm.
Kininam.
And then we'll go in there.
Lastong kamar. Bagam idi pantat to eh. Nagpinta si Tek pasyar ke. Kuna na idi kanyap. Pang kami pasyar dito eh. Alpas tuman winteran. Papatunaw na kasi yung ice. Ayan. Ganda dito. Magalaw yung sasakyan. Maraming humps. So at this time, you can see any animals around. Daddy?
Geese.
Just a goose. Like the other animals here. Walking around.
What animals are walking around besides deer? You're not going to see any other animals. They're around, but you're not going to see them.
You told me before we're going to the zoo also.
Yeah,
You
I know.
don't bring me there.
I know, I haven't brought you anywhere. I'll bring
There's
you.
lots of geese. I told you. Oh. Marami na namang pato. Ay, hindi
We'll
pato.
go to the zoo
Goose.
this summer again
Again, talaga.
for the first time.
Every time you say something to me, you don't honor that. Just
Yeah.
saying, keep saying and keep saying.
That's what married life does to you. And what?
Then we do our walk.
Yeah.
You
okay.
can stop. You can park the car here. Then do our jogging or a little
not
bit
gonna jog.
walk. Here, oh, you can park the car here. No pay, right? You don't need to
No.
pay. Okay, park kami. Maglalakad-lakad. Yan, lakad-lakad kami. Pinainto ko siya sabi niya noon sa akin, pasyal kami dito ng summer. Sabi niya, pupunta kami dito. The Park Cafe. See, the sun comes out already.
They're doing Tai Chi. We don't want to interrupt their Tai Chi class. They're doing Tai Chi.
Old people,
Watch your step. You don't want to fall there. It's slippery.
Ayan, nagalis, madulas ito. I am wearing the madadapa ako dito. Madulas, nag-isno yung madulas ito. Ay, Diyos ko po. Kasi naging
It's not slippery, mommy. Let's go.
no, it's slippery. Why not? Naano ko yung pa ako madulas eh. Now where?
We're gonna go for a walk.